How to find bio settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find bio settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here you will find edit profile. Click on it, and as you see here you will find it. You will find bio settings. If you want to add bio to your profile, just click on it and type here any bio you want and click save here, and that's it. And that's how to find bio settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.